Hi there, my name is Askari and I'm going to show you how you can install SDL image in your project. So first of all, go to this website called libsdl.org, which I have linked in the description. If you have Visual Studio, then you have to choose this file, or if you have code blocks or any other like dev.cid, then you will have to choose min.gw version. For me, because I'm using Visual Studio, if you are following my video series, then you should know. So I will be downloading this one. So the download is done. Now I will rename the file and copy paste it into my project directory. So this is my project directory. Now I will paste it here. So here I will go into library and first of all copy and paste all the DLL files. So I go into my game and then paste it here with my SDL to DLL. So now I will open my project and go into my first of all we check if we can include this or not. As you can see, this SDL image is not showing up. That is because we haven't linked it yet. So I will link it first. Let me go into the game properties, then we will go into C++, and here we will include and we include the file. So hit OK, then go into the linker, then go into the general and simply add additional libraries. Right click, go into SDL library x64 because my system is 64-bit. Hit OK. Then input, I will go here and I will add it, and here I will write SDL2 underscore image dot lib, and I will hit OK. Apply. OK. Now when I will try to include, this should work. SDL underscore image. As you can see, this is showing up here. That means we can link it, and boom, this is done. So that's how you link your SDL image into your project. In the next episode, I will show you how you can make a texture class so we can make textures and present images on the screen. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.